Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing popcorn prawns. Just see what it's like. Really nice dish, great to eat when you're watching the TV, nice easy snack. You can also do this with small pieces of chicken, but today we're doing it with prawns. Follow me and I'll show you how to do it. For this recipe I've got 400 grams of prawns, deveined and not frozen, and with that I'm going to put in some chili powder. All the ingredients and amounts can be found in the bio. Just click on the link where it says more and it will give you all the information. Now we're going in with some white pepper, and then last of all a good pinch of salt. Very simply, just mix this all together. Make sure it's all coated and mixed thoroughly. Right, once this is all mixed together, set this aside and let it rest for 30 minutes. Right, we're now going to make the batter for the prawns. So it's very simply 2 eggs, some milk, a good pinch of salt and some Tabasco sauce. Right, we'll mix all this up until it comes together, and then later we'll put the prawns into this. Set it aside, wait for your prawns to marinate, and then we put them into that. We've got the flour ready, but we need to add to it to make it a little bit more tasty. So we'll then put the ingredients in it so we can coat the prawns. What we've got is some baking powder. Don't forget all the ingredients are in the bio. We've then got some onion salt. And then last of all, we've got some chili powder. Then what we do is mix all these together, and then once we've coated the mixture in the egg, we then coat it in this before frying. Our prawns have now been marinated for half an hour. They've been in the fridge, been coated, and they've come out nice. What we do now is dip them from the prawns into the egg wash, then into the flour, and then put them on a plate and then put them in the pan. Right, we'll now add the oil to the pan, and when we put the oil in, we want to get it to a temperature of about 120. You don't want it too hot because you want these to cook for about 3 or 4 minutes. And when you first put them in, you just want to let them rest. Don't stir them, let them rest for 1 minute, and then after that we stir them. 400 grams of prawns going in here. It's quite a lot, so don't do them all at once, otherwise what you do is reduce the temperature of the pan. So we've got the pan up to the temperature, so we just put them in one at a time and spread them out and leave them for 1 minute. Don't do anything to them. Don't disturb them, just let them do their own thing. These have had a minute, so I'm now just going to stir them round, and we'll let these cook at that temperature for a further 3 to 4 minutes. Right, this batch is done, so what we do is take them out, put them on some kitchen paper to drain, and then we'll cook the next batch.
So here he is. Bang.
Right.
Classy.
Here he is, the main man, photographer, editor, entrepreneur, globetrotter, filmmaker.
Taster.
Yeah, taster. So this really was easy to do. And we're going to taste it now and tell you what we think.
We're just going straight hands.
Yeah, hands. And I'm going to use a bit of mayonnaise for this and just see what it's like.
Mmm.
Nice.
Mmm. I'm not just saying that.
Good, isn't it?
Yeah, I need a moment. Yeah.
Nice and crunchy, but for me, it needs more spice. It needs a bit more chili.
Just about to say that.
Yeah.
It needs more of a...
It needs a bit more of a kick.
More of a kick.
So
yeah.
what I'm going to do is when I eat these off a camera, I'm going to spread some chili powder over them. I won't do it on all of them now because not everybody likes as much chili as I do. But definitely needs something else, a little bit of a kick. But great for kids, they'd love it.
Yeah.
And great for most adults who don't like things too spicy.
All for me though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and please follow it, like and subscribe, and watch again soon for some more videos.
Yeah.
See you soon.
We're back, like properly.
Yep.
You know?
Yeah. He's finished globetrotting, apart from the fact that he's off to Bali soon. But okay.
But yeah, no, really good. I really like these ones. I preferred these over last week. We've got a steak pizzaiola next, right? Yeah, exactly.
That's really nice, and it's our own pizzaiola recipe.
All you meat lovers. And anybody, if you've got any recommendations, things that you'd like us to try, leave a comment.
Yep.
And then we'll dictate whether it's crap or not.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Don't forget, like and subscribe. See you again soon.
Bye.
Bye.